Greetings, friends. I'm Geofatboy. Today, a review on this compact motorized treadmill. Here's some information about it. It's the YRUN Underdesk Treadmill, versatile 2-in-1 folding treadmill. This folding treadmill offers versatility with two modes. In walking mode, speeds from 0.5 to 3.7 miles per hour. Seamlessly incorporate exercise into your work or home routine. In running mode, it has speeds from 0.5 to 8.6 miles per hour, which is really quick for a compact type treadmill, allowing for a more intense workout at home or in the office. Number two, it has an advanced 3 horsepower brushless motor. That's a good thing. The electric compact treadmill is equipped with a cutting-edge brushless motor, ensuring optimal performance without any overheating issues. It operates super quietly and maintenance-free. Its longevity surpasses others with brushed motors on the market. Larger running area, small mini walking pad, running machine for home or office. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's got feet on the bottom, so this has got to be the bottom. Remove all this plastic. Let's see what's in the bag. Instructions: lubricating oil, 2 knobs, an Allen wrench with a Phillips or star screwdriver on one side, the Allen wrench on the other side, an emergency clip that you clip to your clothing. If you slip off, this will pull out and the machine will shut down. A remote control. It's got a little plastic tab that I'm sure you'll have to pull out in order to activate the battery. Right there. And this looks like a cell phone holder. It has wheels on the front for easy transport. Look at that. You can move it around just that easy. Let's check out the instructions. Instructions: step 1, open the cart and take out the foam. Lift the machine out of the cart and use the L wrench of the accessory bag to take out 2 phone holder screws counterclockwise. The phone holder screws right here on top of the rail. We'll remove those with a handy wrench. They're actually loose, didn't even need the wrench to take them out. Let's mount the cell phone holder. The bracket that holds the cell phone will not be facing down like that, but it will be facing you. There are 2 screws. You can get them started and then use the Allen wrench to go the rest of the way. It's nice that the wrench is long enough where you can go in a circle. Snug down both screws. The cell phone bracket can be vertical or horizontal, either way. Raise the upright and lock it. Stand the column 102 degrees, and then tighten the upright fixed screw clockwise through the column holes to the main frame. The same with the left and right sides. Install your 2 knobs that'll hold the rail in place. The rail is locked in place. Please note there is a red safety key included in the accessory bag. Insert the red safety key into the yellow marked position on the treadmill. Then plug in the power cord and turn on the power switch to start the treadmill. Step number 4, insert the safety key. That's the strap with the 2 red clips. This is what you'll clip on yourself when you're running or walking, so that if you slip and fall, this will disconnect and the machine will shut down. That goes underneath the cell phone holder. There's a yellow plate with 2 holes in it, and the red plugs right into that. How to use the treadmill. Before using the treadmill, please ensure that it has been properly unfolded as per the product installation instructions. To quickly use the treadmill, please follow these steps. Connect power to the treadmill. 120 volt plug-in right here. I'll plug that in. Turn on the power switch located on the front of the deck, which is right here, right down there at the bottom. Insert the safety key into the treadmill. I've done that right here. The red bracket with the 2 pins goes into the yellow plate right underneath the cell phone holder. Press the start-stop button on the remote controller to start the treadmill, and the LED monitor will display 3, 2, 1 with the buzzer sounding once for every countdown. After this, the motor will start running. First, let's pull this plastic out to activate the battery. Press the start-stop button on the remote controller. I pressed the start-stop button right here, the one in the middle. It counted down 3, 2, 1, and then it starts running. Once the treadmill is running, you can use the remote controller's speed plus and minus keys to adjust the speed according to your needs. The data on the LED motor will automatically cycle and display every 5 seconds while the treadmill is in use. To stop the treadmill, press the start-stop button on the remote controller. In case of an emergency, pull the safety key to immediately stop the treadmill. The time window displays the running time with a range of 0 to 99.59. The distance window displays the running distance data with a range of 0 to 99.9. It also has a calorie window. It displays the calorie data. The speed window displays the running speed with a range of 0.5 to 8.7 miles per hour. When the treadmill upright is folded down, the treadmill can be used as a walking pad with a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour, which means the speed range is 0.5 to 3.7 miles per hour. When the treadmill is unfolded, it can be used as a treadmill with a speed range of 0.5 to 8.7 miles per hour. The power button is used to turn off the treadmill when it is running. When the treadmill is in standby mode, pressing the button will turn off the display and enter the sleep mode. The power button is right here at the bottom with the circle and the dash. The start-stop button, the one in the middle right here, is used to start or stop the treadmill. When the power is turned on, pressing this button in the stop state will start the treadmill. Pressing the button when the treadmill is running will stop the treadmill. Let's try it. Boom. Immediately it stops. Press it again. 3, 2, 1. It starts right up quickly. The mode button is used to select the countdown mode for time. Here's your speed controller, plus on top, minus on the bottom. Let's try it. What's nice, the remote doesn't even have to be pointed at the unit. I can put it way over here, and it still works. It's actually very quiet. I've tried lots of different types of treadmills. My issue I've had with a couple of them is that the belt will slip when you walk on it, and that is not good. That's very irritating when that happens. And if you try to run and the belt is slipping, it's not ideal for sure. But let's see how this one works. Stand on the rails on the side, no problem doing that. I'll clip this onto the bottom of my shirt and I'll walk. It's got a little spring to it, which is nice. I could mount my cell phone right here and see it perfectly. It's like a 45-degree angle, which is good. There's a time display. There's a speed display. Let's crank it up a little bit. 2, 3. No slipping on the belt. It's very firm. Let's go a little quicker. 4. No slipping on the belt. Let's go to 5. No slipping on the belt. Very nice. It's got a little noise coming from it, a little squeak. Maybe that will wear through, or maybe it needs a little lubricating. Let's go up a little. 6. 7. 8. Top speed 8.7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.5, 2, 2 even. Very nice. I'm pleasantly surprised. A nice brisk walk would be about 3.5, 4. That's a good walk right there. And no squeaking, no noises. It just needed to run a little bit. Worked itself out. Let's test the emergency clip, see if it works. Well, it comes to a quick stop, so you got to be careful. I thought it would be more gradual, but that was pretty much an immediate stop. Let's get it going again. Stand on the side. It's not good to stand on the belt. Puts too much strain on the motor of any treadmill. So stand on the side rails. Start it up again. 3, 2, 1. You can just hold it down and then it will scroll through quickly if you hold the button down. I'm at 3.5. Let's test the clip one more time. Now that I'm ready for it to stop immediately. Yeah, it stops pretty quick. So just be aware, be ready for that. All right, let's remove this. Hang that right there. You can store the remote. It's got a little holder for it, really nice. So you got the remote storage, you have the clip for the emergency release, and you have the cell phone holder right here, which you can swivel horizontal or vertical. Very nice feature. All in all, I think this is a really good treadmill. I really like it. Let's see what happens if we want to fold it down. Looks like in order for it to fold down, you need to remove the knobs completely. No big deal. Let's see what happens. Fold the cell phone holder horizontal. And it folds down just like that. Here's your 2 knobs. Shut the unit off. You're good to go till next time. All in all, an excellent treadmill. Compact. You could slide this under your desk, under your bed. I'll give you quick dimensions on it. The length is approximately 57 inches. The width at the widest point on the rails, 25.5 inches. And the highest point upward, less than 5 inches. It's about 4 3/4 inches. So this would fit under your bed easily or under your desk. You could even stand it up against the wall. That's my review of the YRUN under desk treadmill. Great for home or office use. 3 horsepower motor. All the controls work great. Very simplistic and intuitive, easy to use. I highly recommend this treadmill. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to move it. Just unplug it. Put the cord up on the top by the railing. Pick it up, roll it on the wheels. Just that simple. Very easy to maneuver. I hope this video review helped you. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 600 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great workout. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.